Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. The lighting during the video is probably shitty as hell, but I fixed it now. I finally got the lighting to where I want it. Hopefully this lighting works for you guys. And the light behind me, please excuse it, it's just the room that I'm filming in is like this big. Today's video is going to be obviously cut crease. I love me some cut crease. I love me Arabic makeup, and this is just that type of makeup that just, I don't know, I feel so good and sexy and beautiful when I have an eyeshadow like this. It's just beautiful. I just can't say anything more but beautiful. But today we will be using the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette, and this palette is beautiful. It has some beautiful colors in it. I love how his eyeshadows are so creamy, and the formula that he uses is just like amazing for blending. They blend so easy. I don't know, I hope you guys like this look. This is a cut crease. Some people would think it's more of drag makeup, but this is more of that sexy, seductive. I really do love Arabic makeup, and this classic cut crease is just amazing. It's beautiful. There's different ways to do it. The way I did it today is one way. I can do another video of a different cut crease doing it a different way till you guys figure out what technique works best for you. Not every technique works for everyone, so I'm willing to work my way or work with other techniques. It is currently 4:06 in the morning, and if I don't talk enough, or if I don't say anything or have much of expression during a video, I'm sorry, but I'm tired. Like, I can't wait to go upstairs and go cuddle with my baby. I miss him. I gotta go upstairs and cuddle. Yeah, so without further ado, let's get into the video. Hey guys, so my eyes are already set and ready. I applied my P.Louise base, you guys already know. So going into the Jawbreaker palette by Jeffree Star, the first color I'm going into is Cherry Wet with a BH Cosmetics number 8 brush, and I'm packing that into the crease. Now using a flat fluffy brush by Tarte, I'm going into the color Bubblegum in the palette, and I'm applying that right above Cherry Wet. And then I am going to blend that out using the Morphe M330 brush. And I will go back and reapply the colors again, just because I want the colors to really pop and just look really good. So I'm using the same brushes, nothing different here. Now I'm going in with a clean brush, which is by Essence. It's the eye blender brush, and I'm just blending out that top part of that second color and just making sure that it's not just a harsh line just sitting there. And using the P.Louise base, I will be cutting the crease. Yes, I look up. That is the trick that I like to use, and that helps me, well, guides me onto where to do my cut crease. And for this, I take my time, you guys, because you can fuck up a cut crease very easy. Like I did there, and I do fix it though. You guys will see. And now dipping back into Cherry Wet, I'm gonna fix the cut crease where I had fucked up. I'm sorry, but you know, I had to show it. And I do fix it, and I'm using a small, like, little detailed brush. It's by Morphe. I'll just put the number and stuff and the information on it down below. And then I blend it out with the same brushes I used to apply the colors. I'm just gonna blend it out and make it look like it never happened. Look at that. Ooh. Now going into Cotton Candy with the Morphe G15 brush, I'm applying that starting at the outer part of the eyelid and working it in towards the mid part of the eyelid. Going into Snack with the same brush, I just flipped around. I'm going to apply that color going from the inner front part of my eyelid, and I'm going to meet it in the middle with Cotton Candy. And I do flip the brush over back and forth just to blend the colors out. Now using this NYX white liquid liner, I'm going to draw a line in the area that goes between the cut crease and the lid color. And this liner sucks, you guys. I do not recommend it. Using some Scotch tape, I'm going to cut some pieces off, and then I'm going to just stick it to the back of my hand and then peel it just to get some tackiness off of it. And I'm going to use this to do my liner. And to do the liner, I use the tarteist clay paint liner. It's by Tarte, and I love this stuff. It goes on matte. Well, it doesn't go on matte, but it does finish off with a matte finish, and it just looks so beautiful. And I can control how much I use, and it's not crazy. And yeah. And now I am going to peel off the tape and fix up anything that is like missing any liner. And I clean everything off with a wipe, even on the under eye. Whew, that was a lot. So I'm applying an ultra fine lip liner by Italia in the color Fuchsia 1035 in my waterline. And going into the Beauty Killer palette by Jeffree Star, I will be using the color Star Power, and I will be setting that waterline. Applying the P.Louise base on my lower lash line, and then I do set that with the color Cherry Wet. Now to beat this face off camera, I went ahead and blended out the color Bubblegum with Cherry Wet to my lower lash line and applied my favorite highlighter to my inner corner. Alright, you guys, so this is my final look. The lashes that I'm wearing right now that I used for today are by the Eylure Cosmetics. They are by Krazyrayray. These are the Crazy Classy lashes. These I've had for a while, like I think like over a year now or 2 years. So these are like nice ones that I like because they're like, I don't know how to explain it, but like they're already winged out for like wings liner or when you do a cut crease. Alright, you guys, so don't forget to hit like, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification symbol down there so that you are notified every time I upload a new video.